I should have ironed this sweatshirt, but the thing is I stole it from my sister, and if I go out to find the istri, she'd see me wearing it, and it'll be a whole thing. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very exciting because I ordered a bunch of stuff from Zara and H&M, and my dad was like,
Sakshi, you can't be wasting your money like that.
and I was like,
Tata, this is for a YouTube video. You don't get it. It's a full-time job.
so yeah, that's how I got this very beautiful and original idea for a video. And like I'm gonna do a try on haul because I don't like watching videos where people don't try it on, so I'm gonna give you all what I like. Okay, I'm gonna hide the address. So I used to like see all these videos, and I used to see like YouTubers being like, oh, I should blur out my address, and I was like,
Nobody cares about your address, okay?
okay. But then like recently I went to McDonald's and I ordered on McDelivery, but then like my there was some mess up, so I had to like get a refund. So I gave like one of the guys at McDonald's my number, and then I didn't know he knew my videos or whatever, and then like 10 days later or something, he started sending me memes about me, and then he was just like, oh my god, is this you, Sakshi, 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 listen. And then the same week I got a call from like a credit card company or something, and like I was like, oh, I'm not interested, and I cut it. And then like she messaged me later saying, oh my god, is that Sakshi, like I recognize your voice and stuff. And then I was just like, now I get it. So I want to be like one of those aesthetic YouTubers that are drinking like black coffee and having like adult things, but this is Jeeru masala soda. Like I would have preferred Diet Coke or Amul chocolate milk, but Jeeru masala soda low-key slaps, okay? It's actually damn delicious. Okay, anyway, the first top that I bought was from Zara, and it's just this basic top, but it has shoulder pads, and I didn't know about that. And actually my Instagram video where I was like, why are you wearing shoulder pads, was inspired by this top. And I don't know how I feel about that because I know I'm gonna look like bulky, and also
Should I like try one on and then show you all and then talk about the other things? I feel like that's more work, but I feel like that's what I'm deciding to do. I'm making an executive decision, so yeah.
okay, see what I meant? I'm looking huge, but like my arms are kind of looking nice. I have mixed feelings about this top, but I feel like I'm gonna wear it with like, can you hear the construction? I don't even know what they're building. It's just,
Shut up.
but anyway, I think I'm gonna wear this with like white skinny jeans that I have. I will channel my inner Cindy auntie in a damn nice way. But I think I can do things with this top even though I look like a box and I just can't get over it. But you know, the thing is, if the trend does come back, I'm gonna be like hopping on it because I am not original at all. So honestly, I didn't buy a lot of stuff, so I don't know whether making a haul video was.
What's the right move anyway?
So this top is just like a basic Zara top, and I know a lot of you guys are like,
Sakshi, that is a bra.
I look like the president of the itty bitty titty community, but I like it. And you know what? I see the comments where everyone's like, oh, she's flat and stuff, but then I'm like, what would I do with titties, okay? Like, I wouldn't be able to wear the tops that I like, and yeah, I'm like vibing with this top. I know that I'm gonna wear this all the time. I'll be surprised if by the time this video has come out, I haven't already posted in this top because I'm loving it. Even though I have like 700 black tops, you know.
You know how people are like, oh, I buy lipsticks because different undertones, there's that joke. I buy so many black tops and I'll be like, oh, one is straight cut, one is a little longer, one is like...
I love black tops, okay? Like, I don't know. Anyway, the next thing that I bought is this, and I don't get the reference. I know like Peanuts or whatever. Is he like a cartoon? Like, I'll be honest, I'm like a huge poser. Like, I'm the girl that wears like Rolling Stones and AC/DC t-shirts, and I don't really know any songs by them because I literally only listen to Pratik Kohara on repeat. So, yeah, I think I'm still gonna really like this, and I'm gonna do like a section in the end where I'll show you like how I'm gonna style this, but like all the clothes. But oh my god, cute. And also, like, I've said this once and I'll say this again, H&M has the most comfy like sweatshirts. Okay, like, don't argue with me, argue with the wall. So apparently, if you're wondering why I didn't do really well on Supermodel of the Year, because this seems to be my go-to pose when I'm trying to show y'all an outfit. What is this? I actually don't remember what this is. Oh. Okay, that is just thongs that I ordered. I saw this post where like a lot of girls think thongs are uncomfortable, but I think thongs are very comfortable, even though they're like always in your booty hole. So like, if you see me in public and I look like I'm stuck up, just know.
There's literally something up my butt all the time.
So if you ask me, oh, what's up your butt, there actually is a thong up my butt. So maybe that's why I'm in a horrible mood all the time.
I'm not trying on my thongs even though they are really cute. Should I just show y'all one? It's not even that deep.
Like, they're like ribbed or whatever, and yeah, it's just I feel so exposed right now. I don't know why I'm doing it to myself. But anyway, this color is like really, really cute. Like, it's like no one's gonna see it, so I'm gonna show y'all, cause yeah, there's a lockdown on. But I'm like a little bit awkward now because I showed y'all my underwear. But H&M thongs are actually really nice, so you guys should check them out. Anyway, the next thing that I bought, I'm so excited for, because these are these oversized joggers that I have been looking for the longest time ever, and I'm damn excited to try these on. I get really excited to buy like bottoms, but then I don't have any tops to wear them with.
So then I'm like, oh no, I'll buy like good quality bottoms, but I'll buy lesser. But then I see something and I'm like, I really want this, and I have no jeans. But I had like a lot of skinny jeans at one point, and then someone decided that skinny jeans are no longer like a thing. So I just have a lot of skinny jeans, and now everyone's like, oh, loose bottoms are the jam. But let me tell you something, girls that don't have an ass or tits are literally not riding with the short top and then baggy bottoms thing, because we literally look like...
What the hell? I hate these. Okay, like the waist is honestly not that bad, but look at this. Why is this so loose? Isn't this supposed to be like this? Oh my god, I was so excited for these. I had like an outfit planned on this. I hate these. You know, breakups hurt, but you ever order something you're really excited about and it just doesn't fit the same way? I feel, why is it so loose from here? Isn't it supposed to be like, oh lord? But yeah, like, ew. Like, okay, maybe like if I hike it up to my like chubby like calf part, no, I hate this. Okay, so these are like straight cut jeans, and they have like rips on the knees, and these also I'm like really excited for. So let's just hope that we're done with our 1L for today, and these are gonna fit real nice. I'm actually vibing really hard with these. I also tried on my H&M underwear, but I'm not gonna show y'all. They're a little bit loose. Like, I mean, I can actually really fit my whole hand in, but apart from that, like, I think with a little bit cinching at the waist, this is a whole vibe. I feel like you're gonna see me wearing this often. Okay, hi guys. This is a new day. My room is a mess, but I'm looking much nicer. I had to film like a collaboration because I'm an influencer now. But anyway, so I got another parcel from Zara that I had ordered, but it wasn't in time for. But I was like, let's just club the two together. So I'm gonna show y'all. It's just three things. One of them is this top. I had to wear it, okay, like I had to film a collaboration, so I was like, might as well wear something new because I get damn excited to like wear new things. So this is like, I mean, this is just basically a crop top and shorts, and yeah, like there's not much to say about it. It's ribbed, and I know a lot of you guys are again going to say,
Sakshi, that is a bra.
the next thing, honestly, I'm a little scared to touch right now because my hands have like highlight on them, but it's just this basic white crop top. It's like, you know, Zara does those textured things, and it's got that going on, not ribs, textured. Oh, because that's a big difference, Sakshi. I'm gonna try it on, but if I get makeup on it, then I'm gonna cry on camera. Mama, it's really hard. So also the construction is on full force today, so if you can't hear me, that is my problem. As I suspected, I got foundation on it, and I'm going to cry. Whatever, I don't really care. I love it, and I'm gonna wear it. All my white clothes have makeup stains on them, and I continue to wear makeup and white clothes. But we're gonna move on from this because I need time to process the trauma. These are the next things that I bought, which I'm very excited about. They are purple sweatpants from the men's section of Zara. Hopefully they won't be as much of a fail as the H&M ones were, but
I have no faith left in the world because I don't want this and the white. Like, it's just not a vibe today.
I still have hope from this one. So I'm gonna try that on. Guys, I think we did something. I love these.
I'm so sexy.
Oh my god, I love these. These purple sweatpants are giving me life.
Honestly, I'm so happy. I'm gonna shop from the men's section more often now. I don't know why I had stopped doing that for sweatpants. I do that for sweatshirts and t-shirts all the time, but sweatpants I was like, no. But like, these are so like perfect for what I wanted. I'm like hella excited.
Montage time. I am so sorry. That was like the worst montage ever. Thank you so much, you guys, for like watching this. If you like this, then like, share, subscribe, bell notification. You guys know the drill. I'm not your mom. I can't tell you what to do, but it would really help me out. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and in real life, don't follow me. That's creepy. That's what stalking is. She's still talking. Okay, bye.